There are two styles of tonneau covers. There are your T-track tonneau covers and non-T-track tonneau covers. Today, we have both here with us. We're gonna show you how both of them work and the differences on how you bolt them both in. The first style of tonneau cover that we're gonna go over is a non-T-track tonneau cover. This is a tonneau cover that will clamp to your bed rail. The bed rail is the portion of your bed that sits right here that has that flat surface up on top of it. This one, as you can tell, has this Velcro on top of the bed rail. As long as you have about 2 to 3 inches exposed of bed rail right there, the rack will work. You'll have to use our bolt-on system. This specific setup already has our bolt-on system installed. We're gonna show you how that works. All right, so this customer already has his tonneau cover installed, but he's going rock crawling this weekend and actually wants his tonneau cover off. In light of that, we're gonna show you how this works by taking the tonneau cover off first so you can see the actual bolt and the actual drilling that happened to get this chase rack installed. On the riser, there is 3 sets of holes. You have the 7 holes here that are closest to the bed. Then you have 2 square holes in the middle, and then you have 2 circular holes on the outside. So when lining up the riser on the bed, you want to scoot this to about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from the cab. This will allow for the bed to be able to flex and not have the rack touch the cab itself. On top of that, you want the hole that you're going to be drilling to be at least 1/2 inch away. What we found is if people get too close to this bed rail here, when the washer comes up to the bottom, it will actually interfere with the side and make it really difficult to install the riser.
And once you have that position marked of where you're going to drill the holes, tighten these 6 bolts on each side for the risers in the top bar so that the rack won't slide around. It'll be in the right position when you put it back onto the bed rails.
So if you're going to utilize our lower bar, honestly, it can be a little bit tricky with this bolt-on system. That being said, we're gonna show you the way that this customer has done it that works really well. So he's actually set up this lower bar to where he actually just bolted it straight underneath, just like this. Then he puts his lock washer and washer underneath that. This is a really, really smart solution to do this with a rolling tonneau cover, because this way you can still close the tonneau cover and this lower bar is fully intact and fully useful to helping maximize your bed space. Pretty solid. Once you have the washer and the nut underneath there, go ahead, use your impact driver, snug those bad boys up. And that's how you do the bolt-on setup for the Big Days Chase Rack system. Now, let's go over to the T-track tonneau cover version so you can see how that part works.